that time of year. It's the Adirondacks, and we're at our favorite rest stop here, the Mohawk Center rest stop. Over here we've got the Erie Canal in operation. I don't think we have time to go over there today. Hank is already here. He's probably been here for 20 minutes. We're probably going to be scolded, but I don't feel like you have to break the law to get where you're going. The difference between Massachusetts rest stops and New York rest stops is in New York, you can actually learn something at a rest stop. Now, schools could actually do field trips down the New York Thruway, stopping at each rest stop and learning a little bit about their state, which is pretty cool. Massachusetts, where it all began, the cradle of the American Revolution, has nothing like this. Cateri Tekakwitha, the first Native American saint. Gustoes. See, there's portrait of Saint Cateri Tekakwitha. Gustoes, traditional Iroquoian headwear. We don't say Iroquois anymore now, they're saying Haudenosaunee. This stuff is so cool to me. I mean, this is a regular museum, Hank.
What you can learn is to get back in the truck and keep going.
Damn it, Hank. The history of the buoy boat. It's got it all. So we got some camp cooking going on here with Hank.
So here's the process, folks. We got the Dutch oven. So what we're gonna do, first of all, we're gonna expose this to some good heat. We got our Italian sausage and our leftover bacon in here. We're gonna brown that up. As it gets browning, we're gonna add our onions and our celery. Get those so they're nice and translucent, then go with the heavier vegetables. Once it gets all ready, we're gonna cover that with broth and cook it until the vegetables are tender. Then we're gonna add the roux and make it a fine gravy. Then the biscuits go on, and we're good to go.
And you're gonna see it before your very eyes.
As a special treat, the stand man had procured some sort of Thai lemongrass sausage.
And this stuff is something else. You go to a good Thai restaurant, you're gonna get this, but it's hard to find. We're doing it over an open fire.
So we managed to procure some marshmallow roasting sticks. We're gonna create sort of an open fire Brazilian.
Oh ho ho, or even Argentinian. So now the idea is to spread out the coals and to create a flat surface so that the Dutch oven can be set in there safely.
Doesn't always work for me.
Oh, look at that!
You gotta create little spaces. So yeah, here's what we're gonna do.
So we've got a flat cooking surface now, and we're going to put charcoal around the outside. Hank does apologize for the carbon.
No, I do not.
He does not.
It's important to use your cooking spoon, just your charcoal. Gives you extra flavorage. So our fire is ready now to start the cooking process. We got some good flame here, so what we're going to do, put the Dutch oven right on there. Hopefully, start some good sizzling for that sausage. You want more heat on the pot? Try moving it 6 inches forward. Because it'll get too hot really fast. All right, so now it's time for the onions and the celery. Very important you measure this precisely. We've had a problem in the past putting too much veggies in and not leaving room for the biscuits. But we'll get over it. Ah! Ooh! That's gonna cook in like 11 seconds.
Yeah, we're going to blacken it.
This is probably, we could just eat that. It'd be delicious. Nothing more.
We can't do without those biscuits, though.
No, we could.
We're going to add blackened up
we got the coals all the way around. Now we're getting nice even heat. It's not so hot though that it's like,
It's not sticking to the bottom yet.
nah.
For how long? The heavier vegetables are about to go down.
We're gonna put the potatoes and the carrots in there. Can't put in too much though.
There must be space for the biscuits.
Now we're gonna let it cook down. All right. Do the honors.
You are going to do the honors.
Oh, I'm gonna do the
You're
honors.
the chef, sir.
All right. We just want to get this covering the vegetables. If we didn't have enough, we would use beer. That looks like about the perfect amount.
Venison.
Over there, venison. The cover needs to be hot. Not starting. The coals are just getting the cover hot. They're not baking it this time. It's like,
Extra biscuit. Oh, there we go. See, Pat did this last time. He's a math guy. Math guys don't make mistakes like you just made.
I am not a math guy and was never accused of being one.
You know?
Now we put that back on top. Now we put this here.
Oh, to maintain the
And
heat.
now Matt is going to give us some coals.
On the top. The coal guy.
Spread that around. Now there is actually a formula for how many coals equal how much temperature.
Are you kidding me?
No, it's a real thing, and I don't know it. So
Damn it, why'd you even bring it up?
You calling that good? I need like, let me just take a couple out of here. I think we're good. Yeah, Matt, thanks. All right, now we can.
I think that backside over there.
Oil on it. Think it'll stick.
Yeah, this is a piece of deer meat that
We need
comes
to
from
boil
a,
it or we need to be fine?
this comes from a buck shot by Stan Savek. Where did Stan get this deer?
Stan shot this deer at the Kafalka Club, a place called Shotgun Pass.
Nice. That's a loin, correct?
It is a loin. It is a nice
Beautiful.
venison Adirondack buck. It's gonna be delicious. Stan did a nice job with that.
Delicious.
Just found it.
That can come off. I think you're like looking at 2 minutes now. Yeah, just pull it. It's definitely hardened up. You can see that it's contracted.
Well, quick, cut it in half with a knife, and then we jump.
Oh,
Or we can just wing it. Like it's gonna be fine for me. I'm
it's
telling
gonna
you
be
what.
fine for me too.
I'm gonna eat it, and it's gonna. I'd rather have it whatever shape it is to be overcooked.
Oh, definitely.
If it's overcooked, we're gonna dump gravy on it and eat it anyway.
So the coals are now cooking the biscuits on top.
Yeah.
It's got enough heat from below already, so we're looking.
Yeah, and there's coals underneath, but I can't remember the formula for coals on the top, but there's an actual mathematical formula. Like it's like
A coal equals 25 degrees, and I'm sure somebody will comment and give me the correct math on that.
Yeah, we need to know. Put it in the comments below.
But there's enough heat there, I can tell you from experience, to do a nice job of these biscuits.
We've made it work before.
So what we'll do is we'll open that up, we'll take a peek at them, and if they don't look nice and brown, we'll set it back down, even though we've let a lot of our heat out, but we'll just let it keep cooking a little bit.
This is the reveal.
We're gonna not lose our coal. We're just gonna make enough. We might need some light here. Mess up the shot.
Oh no, shot's okay. We're in darkness. Oh. We need to see the, what do you call it? The
money shot.
the money shot of the
Right.
lightly browned.
All right, here we go. Let's see what we got. Let's see if they're ready. Not ready? It's hot to touch. Oh, very nice. I think they need a little more time.
They're getting pretty good though.
Need a little
Browning
more
up pretty nice, Hank. Now look at those biscuits. And Hank is making a roux right now. There's the venison. Over here with the mushrooms.
You want the spoon? Where's the big
No,
spoon?
they're coming.
Oh, look at them pop right
I
out.
just needed one.
You gotta get a little purchase. You gotta get in there. And then once you get that one out, look at them things.
Where's that spoon?
Boom would be a great.
It's outrageous.
That's how you bring it in.
I brought it in, so, you know why not.
Look at that. Let's take a look at this.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely some.
Put a little something on that side.
I mean, you thicken it up a little.
Flour, thicken it right up quick. See how quickly that turns?
Turns and burns.
Shot. Should be good to go. That does not look horrible.
I recommend doubling up the plates.
Why don't we use real plates?
Probably.
Those carrots are tasty.
Nice seasoning on deer. Try.
It's a good blend of herbs and spices.
Yeah, is it a steak seasoning?
It's mostly Montreal.
Solid. Be careful around that rig. Have a little respect.